What? Unshot bullet. No way. All right, now with the carpets out, now we're gonna move on to the rear. The carpets are absolutely soaked with water. The foam is gone, tons of mold and dirt. Now our next plan of action is gonna be to remove the rear seats and then start cleaning up the front. All right, guys, now we got the moldy under seats to take out. Two thumbs down, not keeping it. All right, now that the rear seats are out, now we can tackle all the water and junk in the back. So let's start cleaning. So we're gonna move the car into the garage now because it is getting pretty dark, but we got all the carpet out. Now I'm ripping up the outside carpet right there, all the wet stuff on the bottom. I'm gonna cut it out. This Stinger does have the Harman Kardon speakers, which is right there. Hopefully they're good. I'm gonna take them apart and see if I can save them. And then these are just the air vents for the heat, for the ventilated seats. So now let's pull the Stinger into the garage. So I cut as much as the wet stuff as I could out. All the stuff you see right there is the dry stuff. The rest of it right over here is pretty soaked. Now the passenger side is the same way. All that foam right there is covered in water. I'm gonna work on the electronics on the driver's side. There's not much to look at, but all the driver's side connectors are nice and clean. Now it's time to move over to the passenger side and get rid of that water and clean out the connectors. The whole underside has been bleached. Now I'm gonna let this sit overnight, really get rid of all that mold, and then we're gonna start finalizing the electronics tomorrow. Finally, the car is clean. Now let's crack open some of these electronics. The new SRS module is installed. Now we're gonna jump onto those speakers, open them up, and see if they're savable. Before I move on to the speakers, we're gonna swap out the left front tire, which is flat, for a new tire. We got the new tire on the rim. Now we should be ready to drive when the time comes. So great news, the speakers work. So now let's install the vents and everything on the floor. Speakers and vents are in. Let's go get that carpet. Right here, I picked up a non-damaged carpet from a wrecked Kia Stinger. Let's throw it in the car. Got the rear seats and the carpet in. Man, it looks good. We'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.